Hi, today we'll be talking about compliance in the kind of economy where recession risk keeps coming up, even if nobody knows exactly where things are headed. The mood is definitely cautious. In this environment, hiring slows, budgets get reviewed, vendors get questioned, and every project needs a stronger business case. Compliance teams feel the pressure big time because compliance-related tasks often are looked at like overhead. But compliance is only overhead when it is disconnected from risk. When it is connected to the real risks facing the business, it becomes protection. So the question should not be, how do we cut compliance? The better question is, which parts of the program actually protect the business? In a strong economy, messy compliance can survive. Manual evidence collection, duplicate assessments, stale risk registers, and unclear ownership are annoying but tolerated. In a tight economy, that mess becomes expensive. Leadership starts asking why so much work is happening without a clear view of exposure. The right order is simple. Take a good look at your business. What are you trying to protect? Then look at the risks. What could disrupt that? Then look at the controls. What reduces those risks? Then map the frameworks and regulations. Then prove the controls are working. Automation and AI can help, but only if the foundation is real. They can reduce duplicate evidence collection, map controls across frameworks, surface stale responses, connect risk to controls, and give leadership a clearer picture. But they will not magically fix scattered evidence, stale controls, unclear ownership, or poorly defined risk. So recession-ready compliance is not about doing more or doing less. It is about doing fewer low-value things and protecting the high-value things much better. The companies that handle pressure well will be the ones that can answer, clearly and quickly. What matters most? Where are we exposed? What should we fix first? And what proof do we have? Compliance in a tight economy should not be bigger or weaker. It should be sharper.